Struggling with persistent knee pain? You're not alone. Millions of people experience discomfort that limits their daily activities and overall quality of life. But what if a non-surgical, clinically proven solution could help restore your mobility and reduce that pain? At Regenesis, we specialize in advanced joint care, including knee injection therapies designed to target the root cause of inflammation and joint stiffness. In today's video, we'll explore what knee injections are, how they work, and why they might be the right solution for you. What are knee injections? Let's start with the basics. At Regenesis, we offer a range of injection options tailored to your specific diagnosis and needs, including corticosteroid injections, which are anti-inflammatory and provide quick relief for acute flare-ups. Hyaluronic acid injections, often called viscosupplementation, which help lubricate the joint, mimicking the natural fluid in your knees. Platelet-rich plasma (PRP), a regenerative treatment that uses your own blood components to stimulate healing and reduce chronic inflammation. How do they work? These injections work by either reducing inflammation, replacing lost joint lubrication, or stimulating natural healing, depending on the type chosen. For example, PRP injections help rebuild soft tissues over time, while hyaluronic acid works more like a cushion between your bones, reducing that painful friction. Who is a good candidate? Knee injections are ideal for patients who suffer from osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, cartilage, wear and tear, or even post-injury joint discomfort. If you're not ready for surgery or are looking for a way to prolong joint health, these injections can be a powerful first-line or supportive treatment. What results can you expect? Relief can begin within days to weeks, depending on the injection type. Corticosteroids may offer relief for a few weeks to several months. Hyaluronic acid could last 6 months or more. PRP therapy typically involves a gradual improvement over a series of sessions. Ready to take the first step toward pain-free movement? Book a consultation today by visiting regenesis.co.uk.